want to quickly find your WordPress user ID, today I'll show you an easy method that works for all users. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more WordPress tips. Start by logging into your WordPress dashboard. On the left-hand menu, locate and click Plugins. This is where you can add new tools to enhance your site. In the search box at the top right, type Reveal IDs. This plugin does exactly what it says. It reveals ID numbers for posts, pages, and users. Click Install Now, then Activate to get it running. With the plugin activated, navigate to Users in the left-hand menu. Here you will see all users listed along with their unique user ID numbers, including yours. Pro tip: knowing your WordPress user ID is essential for advanced customizations, troubleshooting, and integrating plugins or scripts. And that's it. You now have access to all user IDs on your WordPress site. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more WordPress tutorials.